actually was heading back to my house from Acme. I was going grocery shopping, and I was hit head on by a cab truck. It just came out of nowhere, and it was coming just straight towards me and hit me. And I lost consciousness, and I woke up and I was pinned in my car for like 45 minutes. And couldn't feel my left leg, which is where most of the damage was. My life has totally changed. Totally changed. I'm in pain all the time. I could no longer work. I was a nurse for 27 years. 27 years, and I no longer can work. I can't do the things around the house that I used to do. My husband has to pick up the slack now for all that. Right after the accident, just because I couldn't get out very well, Tim came to my house and went over things. He's professional. He worked with me, kept me updated. He explained everything on my level, which is a big thing. His team is absolutely wonderful. They respond to your questions, to your emails immediately. It was wonderful working with them. Wonderful. I just don't know where you find anybody like Tim. I don't think anybody will find